Yes.
What are we talking about?
We are talking about nature.
Okay. What did you see?
I saw a Seat.
A what?
A Seat.
A Seat? Aha, a car.
A pumpkin.
Okay.
Croatia.
Okay.
Gasper's feet. And a bird.
Okay. I thought Gasper's feet should go on what you smelt, but okay. Max, what did you see?
What did you see?
Grass, yeah? Water. Okay. Where did you see water? Did you see water like rainwater?
In
or
shower.
in the shower? In nature?
Oh.
This is in nature. Gregor, what did you see in nature?
I saw ant, butterfly, snail, cow, and grasshopper.
Good job. I think you saw a lot more in nature than the others. Murari, what did you see?
I see tree, grass, fan, bird, and mountain.
Super. Isa, did you have anything else to add to the list?
I saw an ant, grasshopper, Ferrari, grass and tree.
Okay, super. Good job, guys.